Welcome to Quest Software Foglight Video Solutions. This video will cover error log filtering. My name is John Sakalauskas and I'm a technical product specialist with the Foglight team. The error log filtering view allows us to select which error logs are generated by the SQL Server database that are to be displayed in the logs drill down. The error log alarm increments the error log count for each error log entry that matches one of the strings listed in this view. Foglight for SQL Server provides a default list of error logs enabled in the scanning and allows adding, modifying, or disabling error logs from the list. The settings defined using the error log filtering view affect the following alarms: SQL Agent Error Log Summary, SQL Server Error Log Summary, SQL Agent Log Informational Error, and SQL Server Log Informational Error. For details, see the Alarms chapters for the Foglight reference guide. The error log filtering view allows defining the following settings. Minimal severity for invoking summary alarms can be either turned off or set to one of the defined severity levels, that is, warning, critical, or fatal. Note, by default, the value of this parameter is critical. Or minimal severity for invoking alarms. This can be either turned off, which is the default setting, or set to one of the defined severity values, warning, critical, or fatal. For all SQL Server versions, the error log filtering view allows defining the following settings. Display under a predefined name in the SQL Agent Error Logs and SQL Server Error Logs panels using a match list pane. This pane contains a default list of expressions within the error logs that are to be retrieved and displayed in the error log panel under a predefined name, category, and severity. To configure the error log panel, log into the Foglight web console with your Foglight user and click Databases to access the database dashboard. From the database's dashboard, select the checkbox for the SQL Server agent or agents that you want to configure the error log panel on. Click Agent Settings and then Administration. Click the Error Log Filtering menu item. Details about each of the SQL Server error codes and severity levels and the associated alarms are available by clicking the Information button. From this page, you can also configure the minimal severity for triggering alarms for both the individual database agent alarms and for the summary alarms. Both match list and ignore list planes can be customized by adding, editing, or removing filters. Each filter can be enabled or disabled separately by clicking Edit and selecting or clearing the Enabled checkbox. Alternatively, to enable or disable all of the filters, click the Enable All or Disable All button. To add an error to the match list, click Add. The dialog box Add Filter appears. Enabling a single filter requires editing it. To edit a filter, select the requested filter and click Edit. The Edit Filter dialog box appears. Ensure that the Enable Filter checkbox is selected. This is the default. To change the filter's name, edit the text in the Error Log Filter text field. Click Set. If another filter should be edited, repeat the previous steps. If no more editing is necessary, or if all the additional editing operations were carried out, save the changes before switching to another view. To learn more about Foglight for databases, visit support.quest.com. For quick support questions, follow us on Twitter at QuestExperts.